The Citroën C4 was first launched in 2020 and immediately became a popular choice in the C segment. The new version is available in some countries with a petrol engine, as a 100% electric, and for the first time also as a hybrid. The Citroën C4X saw the light of day for the first time in 2023 and will be available as a hybrid and as a full electric. The updated models are characterized by a distinctive design, raised ground clearance and Citroën's new front, with a design philosophy that draws inspiration from the Ali concept car. The new hybrid technology combines a petrol engine with a small electric motor, and together they reduce fuel consumption by up to 20%, and make it possible to drive 100% electrically at low speeds. Since the electric motor is self-charging, it requires neither a charging cable nor a charging station. For customers who prefer an electric car, the new C4 and new C4X will be delivered with an improved range of up to 420 kilometers, thanks to a more powerful and efficient engine, as well as a larger battery that is also excellent for fast charging. In other words, these are two models that are optimized both for everyday commuting and for longer excursions with the family. A new Citroën C4 2025 with 1.2 PureTech engine, automatic transmission, and Euro 6 rating. This model is available in different trim levels, including Max and Plus, and is powered by petrol. The engine is a 1.2-liter PureTech engine with 131 horsepower, and the car has an automatic transmission. Available in gasoline, electric car and hybrid, hatchback body. Example of equipment may vary. 12-volt socket, ABS brakes, ACC, adaptive cruise control, front airbags, Android Auto, anti-skid system, rear view camera, partial leather, half leather, fog lights, blind spot warning, electric windows front and rear, electric folding side mirrors, cruise control, lane keeping assistance, high beam assistance, ISOFIX, keyless, collision warning, cornering lights, LED headlights, navigator, GPS, front and rear parking sensors, voice control, start-stop function, stereo with Bluetooth, USB. Tinted windows, touch screen, fatigue warning, USB socket. The car is a compact hatchback with room for both driver and passenger. It is a good choice for both single households, as a first car or as the family's second car. The Citroën C4 has a spacious interior despite its compact size. The Citroën C4 is also available as an electric car and hybrid. It is worth noting that prices and available equipment may vary between different dealers and regions. It is recommended to contact a Citroën dealer for more detailed information and to obtain a quote.